what the hell? Let's start fresh.
Really? I don't want to.
Well, we got interrupted before.
Okay.
Where were we?
I was telling you that my parents were still married and then you yelled at me.
Of course I did. That's me all over.
Why are you washing your hands?
I don't honestly know, to tell you the truth. I guess it's because I don't have anything of interest to say.
Yeah, nothing to worry about because I got something to say. Dr. Cox, you are an attorney. You should know that it is highly inappropriate for you to be sniffing around this woman all day long. And you! No, I'm not kidding. Who should be running to you? It's not like turn around. You're talking to him. So I'm telling you right now, I forbid you to get involved with that guy.
Sorry.
You realize, of course, that you just effectively signed your own death warrant.
Dude, do you, like, know any women at all?
I know when I'm supposed to be singing. Shut up!
Why did you take me? I don't even know why I still have this stupid thing on. Put your gloves on, Josh. You need to get an ABG. I can't. Maybe wait.
Mm-hmm.
Shut up. Look, Josh. You're the only one who's going to be a doctor now.
Shush!
Okay, so what do you say you put some gloves on?
Chris, you're mental upstairs. Go turn that.